take full control of your projects with our Excel template. Managing multiple projects can be a challenge. That's why we've created a professional, multi-project management template to help you keep everything under control. With this tool, you'll be able to centralize information, say goodbye to scattered spreadsheets and dispersed data, get a clear and quick overview. The dynamic dashboard gives you an instant view of each project status. Optimize your resources. Manage tasks, resources, and budgets efficiently. Whether you're a project manager, consultant, or part of a team, this template is your best ally for agile, professional, and hassle-free project management. Template modules. Settings and configuration. Set up your project ecosystem in just minutes. You'll be able to define the starting fiscal year, classify expense categories, and register all your projects, managers, priority levels, and activity statuses. The information defined here creates automated drop-down lists that ensure consistency and greatly simplify data entry in the following modules. 2. Project and task registry. The template includes a dynamic and intuitive form to log essential data for each initiative, from project names to detailed breakdowns of tasks or deliverables. You can assign detailed descriptions, define priority levels and responsible parties, and set start dates and durations for each activity. This module supports unlimited project management and is the engine that powers the individual performance dashboards. 3. Budget and expenses. Gain a complete financial overview. In this section, you can set detailed budgets, both for the overall project and for each specific deliverable, classifying expenses by predefined categories. You can also track actual expenses by date and amount, enabling easy auditing and informed decision-making. This module is key to the dashboard section, where you can compare budget versus actual expenses in real time. 4. Gantt chart. An automated Gantt chart provides a critical visualization of your planned schedule. Here, you can quickly and visually check the start, duration, and current phase of each deliverable and project. It's an essential tool for identifying dependencies, spotting bottlenecks, and monitoring progress against your set timelines. 5. Executive dashboard and key metrics. The dynamic dashboard is your executive control panel. Based on recorded data, you can track key performance metrics, KPIs, including projected start and end dates, elapsed time, and overall status of each initiative. The section includes professional charts for percentage of project and task completion, time elapsed, activity statuses, and, most importantly, a visual and analytical breakdown of budget versus actual expenses. Along with other relevant metrics, stop managing multiple projects with scattered tools and static spreadsheets. Don't wait any longer to professionalize your project management. Download the Excel template today and start controlling your project portfolio with full visibility.
Template available at Centralize Enterprises. Visit our websites excelprojectsaj.com and en.centralizeenterprisesstore.com.